We just woke up. I'm gonna go get ready now for school. It's dress down day. So, they don't have to wear uniforms. So we are late, of course, and we're now leaving the residence.
Does Claire want to demonstrate the door?
Yes.
Let's hit it.
Are you guys still vlogging?
We're still vlogging. Okay, so this is the way to school. Look at the beautiful views we got. So now we're actually gonna head to Ports quickly to get a quick coffee and hot chocolate. It's like Starbucks but in Italy. So let's do it. See you guys there.
Okay, so this is our Friday morning breakfast in So Sienna likes to say the Starbucks lunch channel. Good morning.
A nice little spread for this morning. Everyone say hi to the vlog. Okay, heading to school into school now. Our favorite flight of stairs.
Yes. Morning stairs every day, because every day is leg day.
Especially in lunch channel. And then our favorite little door.
Close the door!
Pull up. Okay,
We're now.
Scarlett and Sienna checking into TAP with Mr. Knapp. Show him off. TAP is from 9:40 to 10 o'clock every morning.
Yes.
And
Favorite time of the day.
oh yeah, it's so much fun. Basically, it's a teacher advisor program that they just make sure we're staying on top of our work and all that jazz.
Yo, you joining our honorary member of that?
And yeah, we'll see you later.
20 minutes.
20 minutes for our first class of the day. So this is the kitchen. This is where we eat breakfast in the morning. Here's your fun big spread of food here. And we're just gonna show it off. Now we're gonna head to our first two periods. I have Italian and then a spare.
I have physics.
And then advanced.
advanced functions.
So we'll see you guys
Later.
later. Here we have the beautiful Allegria. Follow me. Nice little scene area. Some nice chairs. Let's go get lunch.
Here's our lunch food. I pasta, peas, thanks.
Cucumbers.
Yes, cucumbers and Suzuki.
Everyone say hey. Okay, so
we now have our last two periods of the day. I have two spares.
I have English and then Italian studies, so you guys will be brought along for all of that. And we will see you on our walk back to Res.
Okay, so we're not going back to Res. We have debate club.
We have debate club.
Okay, we are headed back to Res now. We're gonna make dinner and then probably watch a movie and then go to bed. Hey guys.
Okay. So we did tell y'all earlier that we were gonna make dinner tonight, but then we decided never mind. We're just gonna go to Allegria.
Yeah.
So that's where
grilled cheese.
there's
We
grilled
had a
cheese.
shower.
They had a shower. I will be showering after. We are heading into dinner and then we're gonna go home, watch a movie, and then go to bed.
It's been a long week.
Very long week at CCI. But yeah, we'll see y'all at Allegria. Tonight for dinner we have tomato soup, grilled cheese, some chicken, fries, and burgers.
How we doing, guys?
Mia's really enjoying the dinner.
Yeah.
So that's a good sign. Okay guys, we're just gonna watch some Friends for a bit. make some popcorn, and then head off to bed for the night. We are very exhausted, so.
Yes. Thank you so much for watching our vlog if you made it to the end. And we will maybe see you next time.
Maybe.
Bye.
Bye.